Hey guys, what's up? It's David from ThePandaily here. We are very excited today because we have the newest OnePlus 7 with us right now, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and open it to show you guys, okay? All right, let's go open it right now. Here we go. Oh, look at that, damn, this is beautiful, look at this. Oh, it's quite a hefty device too, but like in a really good way. It feels really awesome in your hands. It features a fully curved design with a spherical display. It's the first of its kind in the whole industry. Just look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Comes in two color variants, the glossy black that we have and the crystal clear. It features a single lens setup with not an 8-pixel sensor, but an infinity pixel sensor. And that was just the rear camera. The front camera is also an infinity pixel camera. This is insane. Is this even possible? And it comes with this new gaming function they're calling pool as you go. So it's pretty much you can play pool anytime and anywhere you go as long as people have the same phone. It's suggested that you play with at least 15 people to get the best experience possible. So, I mean, that's pretty cool, right?
But David, if everyone has the same 8-ball, how do you win?
Well, I mean, it's kind of like any pool game, right? You just pocket the 8-ball and you're good to go. So like, you know, even though I really want to keep this for myself, we're givers, so we will be giving this away for our April 1st giveaway, and you guys know the drill. Just follow the link down below and you're good to go. Okay, so I will see you guys later.